Hey everyone, I've got something big to share with you today, something that I think could be a turning point for your agency this year. So if you're serious about growing your agency and taking things to the next level, stick with me for just a few minutes because this is for you. Mark your calendars because the Seven Figure Agency Roadmap Live is happening March 3rd through the 5th, and I'd love for you to join us. This is your chance to come spend 3 days immersing yourself in the exact systems, strategies, and insights that have helped hundreds of agencies scale to seven figures and beyond. Now, this isn't just a conference. This is an action-packed, hands-on experience designed to give you the tools, framework, and clarity you need to attract higher value clients, scale your operations, and build a business that serves you, not the other way around. We'll cover everything from building a predictable lead generation system, increasing your retention in MRR, to creating the roadmap for sustainable growth. Even better, you'll be in the room with hundreds of agency owners just like you. Imagine the power of collaborating, brainstorming, and sharing ideas with others who get it, who understand the challenges and opportunities of running a digital marketing agency. The energy in that room alone is worth the trip. You'll leave fired up and ready to tackle the next phase of your agency's growth. So here's the deal. Seats are limited and the event always fills up fast. If you've been part of this group or watching this channel for a little bit of time and looking for that extra edge to grow your agency, this is it. Click the link in the descriptions to grab your spot. Trust me, you don't want to miss this opportunity. I can't wait to see you there, connect with you in person, and help you map out the plan to scale your agency to the next level. This event has changed the game for so many other agency owners, and I want it to do the same for you. So don't wait, so secure your spot right now. Thanks for hanging out and for being such a powerful part of this community. I look forward to seeing you at the Seven Figure Agency Roadmap Live in March. Talk to you soon.